Hello all, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the intraday plan in all the indices, and we will see our expiry trade plan in FinNifty as well. Now look at over here, this is BankNifty on hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, it has been showing some negative scenarios that whenever it is touching these levels, which are 44,200 or 44,300 area, it is continuously falling from there. Now again, the resistance has been changed from 44,200 to 44,100 level. Now from here again we saw a very good fall. Now what is doing over here is let's plan our trades. Now based on the hourly time frame itself, when we look at over here, market is showing some volatile to negative sentiment itself. If market tomorrow opens gap down, consider if it is opening in between this level, we are having a very good support area of 43,500 and we are having a very good resistance of 43,700 as of now. If it is opening in between these two and showing any negative sign, then immediately we can go for selling and our first target will be 43,400 area. Now, this 44,400 area won't be a strong level because let's see over here, it has been tested over many times. It has tested over here, again at this level, here, and again over here as well. Now again it is coming to the same level. That means if it breaks this support, then immediately we can go at rate till 43,000 level easily. Or else if it is taking support at this range only, then we can build up buying position. Our first target will be 43,700 only. If it is sustaining above over here, then we can plan our trade till this resistance trend line. Now let's move to 15 minutes time frame to plan our exact trades. On 15 minutes time frame, if market is giving breakout to this region above 43,700, then we can go for a trade till this resistance area, which is 44,000 level, near to 44,000. Or else if it is giving breakout to at this level after giving a very good halt or after giving a volatile session, then we can plan a trade till this trend line only. And similarly, if it is giving breakout to yesterday's low, then immediately we can go at trade till 43,400. If we are going below 43,400, then we can plan a trade till 43,000 as well. Let's move to Nifty now. This is Nifty on 15 minutes time frame. You can look at over here. Nifty is also showing some negative scenario, but we are having a very good support area of 43,680 to 43,650 level. If we are crossing this level, then only we can plan for going for selling side aggressively. Until then, it may be giving small intraday trades for selling side as well as buying side. But for aggressive buying side, we are planning to go above 18,800 area because we are having a very huge call sellers at 18,800 area, but we are having a very good put sellers also at 18,700. So if market is opening in between these two, then again we may see sideways to volatile movements. Based on the breakouts and breakouts along with the sustainability, we can plan a trade for buying side or selling side. But while looking over here, we can find a head and shoulder pattern also in Nifty. But most of the times the patterns won't work. You have to be very careful with the sustainability. Now going for FinNifty to plan our expiry trade along with our intraday trade. Now look at over here. This is FinNifty on 15 minutes time frame. If FinNifty is having a very good resistance area of 19,450, so we can plan for 19,450 to 19,500 as a very good resistance area, and we are having very huge resistance at 19,550 level. Similarly, we are having a very good support of 19,375 to 19,350 level. If we are breaking these zones, then we can plan for directional trades. Until and unless breakout or breakdowns happen along with the sustainability, we don't go for directional trade. We will be planning for sideways to volatile trades in between this area. Consider tomorrow opening gap down and crossing this area immediately. Then we can go for selling calls and we can plan our target till this level, which is 19,270. If we are going below this, then we can plan our trade till this support. If we are going for breakout to this zone, which is 19,460 level, then immediately we can plan a trade till 19,500 to 19,525 area. If we are going above this area and sustaining over hourly or 4 hours time frame, then we can plan a trade for buying side till 19,650 also. If we are getting any fake breakouts, then you can plan your reversal trades as well. This is our plan for tomorrow in all the indices, and hope you got the points how the market is behaving these days. Like the video and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel. Keep trading and keep doing analysis. Bye.